evening, ladies and gentlemen. My presentation, I try to keep as short as possible. However, the point would not be missed. This point is keeping end user at the center. Now, I would like to take you through a travel of the automation into the packaging machines. Now, this was the machine which was maybe in 2000s or 90s, where it was intermittent. This is just one example. All sorts of machines were intermittent, and what brought the change was the new technology, and this became continuous. Be it as sheet metal, people would have even noticed that in sheet metal and start-stop cut machines, now they are continuous on-the-fly machines. Similar things happened in packaging, where you had multi-axis machine. This is just one of the simple example. Now, what brought this change is this. You had the control system, you had the CPU, the HMI, and the servo drive, and the servo motors. Servo motors and servo drives brought the real change into the motion, because then you could really precisely control that into microns. Your print control, print mark control, all that would be under real control. This was possible only due to introduction of servos into the packaging area. You could even imagine, or you could get the information of what is happening inside the stomach of the motor. Now coming back to, or next rather, to the control architecture. If you look at it, there are various colors. They are not by mistake, but they are deliberately shown like that. The systems were having different networks, meaning HMI was communicating to the CPU on different network, CPU was communicating to the servos on different network, and also other devices. So there were multiple devices working on multiple platforms. Really speaking, there was no continuity into it. There were bumps. That means the flow from motor, the information of flow from motor to the system was never seamless. It was always bumpy. Some system in between had to convert some information and hand it over to somebody. There was a time loss and also the information loss in that. The one solution for this is what we propose is one tool for software development. That means all the products, be it HMI, be it PLC logic, machine logic, be it motion logic, everything should be handled by one tool. And this is one solution we proposed. Also, now this looks better. As earlier slide was, HMI talking to CPU on some different network. Now here, you have one network, maybe similar to Ethernet base or whichever, and you are literally tapping the information from this pipe, and you are connecting your devices, be it HMIs, multiple HMIs or servo drives, even remote IOs or even third-party devices, all in one seamless. This is like a tap from the water pipe. Yeah, then what is the base design? Now, after we have talked of architecture of the control systems, this is a plant. Most of the today's cases, because the machines have arrived at different times, starting from 20 years, 25 years ago up to today, there are various machines and there are various systems the management wants, and they're talking to them, and you can see the crisscross lines, and these crisscross lines are not uniform. This means everybody is talking on a different term, different network. Actually, this is what is the problem, that many suppliers are supplying the machines, or even from the same OEM, because of the technology on that machine, the CPUs are of different capacity, and they are bought from different suppliers also, and they cannot talk to each other in the way the end user would like to have it. So if end user wants to really pick the information from various machines and put it in his own common platform, he has to struggle a lot. Then there are a lot of different requirements on it, because the CPUs are not having the capacity either, or the network communication from various CPUs is not common or is not adaptable to the other. solution is what we propose, and we request also for automation suppliers as well as to the machine builder that we should have one platform defined, like we have in Microsoft Windows. Yeah, everybody's program is his own intelligent capacity or his own sort of technology, but Windows is a common platform for them. This is not the exact example, but this is one of the things which could be adapted, and we could arrive at certain template through which the machines could talk to the common platform and the information would be transferred. It could be like a black box as far as your own technology is concerned, be it machine builder or even an automation supplier. However, the outlets should be defined in a way that they are acceptable, they are known, and like a black box, the information, they are common outlets for this. This is what we propose. This is how it should be from the end user's point of view, that it's a clean line. There are some tags, there are some defined tags through which the information is passed on to the main system, from where the management could get the information of the entire plant. This was a kickoff presentation for the presentation to Mr. Griffin, who will throw more light on it and just use some slides to describe the current situation, which is not so desirable. There is always a better thing possible than this. So I hand it over to